Alejandro and Carlos organized this closet. Everything was a lot of things on the room, on the floor. Ahorita te la consigo. They changed the position of. Yeah, en la sala. They changed the position. This desk was here. This furniture was here, and that shelf was inside the garage. The TV needs to go in that yes, because she wants to use this as a desk.
Oh, okay.
This area looks amazing.
Isn't that something? Woohoo! Oh,
All the new blankets are
those
here.
children's dishes, I don't need anymore.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, that was for when we had family dinners with grandchildren.
Okay, excellent.
And they were so cute. The kids had
Perfect.
their own plates.
Okay, Elizabeth put some cups here. She cleaned this area. She rearranged this. She cleans the microwave. I don't know where is the plate though. Must be in the dishwasher. And she rearranged this. The guys are doing this closet. It was full. It was packed. I didn't record that. ¿Esa bolsa negra qué es?
Manzanas.
Okay. Here was a shelf with book. She decided to throw it away. The blankets that were here is in the closet. Let me show you the porch area. It's clean. The table, the paintings, these baskets, pencils, more acrylic paint, canvas, brushes, tissues, little things, pencils, all decoration, glass gems, some pencils here, all the rocks here. I couldn't record before the bedroom. You will see a mess. However, yesterday was all over, pile of clothes. Elizabeth was yesterday with her all day long, putting away and clear this area. This area is clean. We moved that bookcase and put some books. She said that she's gonna take care of the desk. There is more things to do. A lot of things. More clothes here. This is the bathroom. This is her closet. More clear. And this is the bathroom that we didn't clean it yet. We'll just rearrange. The shower is in awful condition, and I have to come back to do that. All black. A big master bedroom. She had 5 animals, a lot of books, It's amazing how people neglect organizing in this way. Acá hay más focos, hijo. Umbrellas. What is this? Ah, blankets?
Yeah.
Clean or dirty?
And that was the one that was there. It's probably 30.
Okay.
We get the new one and leave it there. That one.
It's getting better, even though you don't realize. All these buckets about dog blankets and cats toys. She rearranged this area. She cleans this corner. And even though I told her just keep 6 plates, she wants to keep and keep and keep and keep. There is nothing that I can do. I try to help her, but I completely understand it's too much for her. It's years and years of accumulation. I don't know if I recorded this before. All new blankets here. The room is clear. It's clean. There is no light. But it looks good. She is in the garage right now sorting things that we are gonna donate. Glass, a lot of garbage. Here I'm gonna record inside the car everything that is for donation. All this is garbage. The things that are inside the car is for donation, books, grill, a lot of things. Yeah. She is working in the garage deciding what to donate. I know it's too much for her. Too many things. She's overwhelmed. She feels frustrated. Everything this is to donate. There is some more things to do. She's making some space and broom away all the dirt so he can put the black plastic shelf on the same place, and he's gonna put everything that is from fertilizing the plants. She have a lot of bags of miracle soil, things like that. In the garage, this table is all her cleaning supplies. Well, not all, some.